Good morning, dear students.
Good morning, Teacher Ashna.
Okay, did you bring your toys?
Yes.
So today we are gonna play and we will learn because learning English is fun. So I'm gonna ask you, what have you got? And you have to tell me your thing. Okay, you have to tell me what have you got, which toy have you got? Okay. So I'm gonna start from dear Kijan. So dear Kijan, could you tell us what have you got?
I have got a carrot, but it's a toy.
But it's a toy. So I have got a carrot toy. Hello, dear Danny. How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay. Could you tell us and loud your voice? What have you got?
I have got a black and red remote control car.
Well done, and it's so nice. Hello, dear Shahan. How are you?
I'm fine.
Could you tell us what have you got?
I have got a green black car.
I have got a green and black car, and it's so nice, by the way. Hello, dear Ilyas. What have you got?
I have got
Which color is it? A blue car. Very good. You have to say. Could you raise it? Show us. Wow, it's so nice. Okay. Hello, dear Len. How are you?
I have got a remote control.
But I didn't ask you, right? Let me ask you first.
Okay.
What have you got?
I've got a car remote control. It's
Yeah.
so fast and its color is every color.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, it's colorful and
And
it's
it's so powerful.
Is it so fast?
Yeah.
Can you drive it?
No.
You
It's
can't
a
drive
toy
because
car.
yeah, it's a toy car, so it's not a real one, so you can't drive it.
It
Just you
goes-
can play with it, right?
It goes so fast.
Just yeah, exactly. You
Go
are
faster than Danny's.
yeah, you are right. You are right. Okay, hello, Araskian Johnny. What have you got?
I got an orange.
Oh, you have got an orange. Do you like to eat orange?
Yes.
Okay, it's so healthy and delicious. Hello, dear Meilikian. Could you tell us what have you got?
I've got strawberry, but it's not real.
But it's not a real. It's a toy strawberry. Do you love strawberry? Could you tell me what color is the strawberry?
Red.
It's red. It's so delicious. You have to eat it. Okay. So hello, dear Sidra. Wow, your toy is so nice. It's so cool. So what have you got, dear?
I have got colorless doll.
A colorful doll. I love it. Can you play with with your doll? Can you play it? Is it working? Okay. It is shining, right? And it can dance. Well, and it's dancing, you mean. Hello, Logina. How are you?
I'm fine.
You are fine. Oh, you have got lemon. It's so sour. Huh? So what have you got?
I have got a lemon.
You have got a lemon. Do you like lemons? Why? Because it's not sweet? Okay, but it's so healthy. Okay, you have to eat it. Especially it's so tasty with chicken, right? Okay. Hello. Hello, dear Nare.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Oh, yeah, fine. Are you happy today? Okay. Please don't repeat what you did yesterday. Okay? Don't go under the desk. Okay, you have to sit on your chair. So could you tell us what have you got?
I have got a doll.
You have got a doll with a nice and purple dress, right? It's so cool. Hello, Gulia. How are you? Hello. What have you got?
I have kiwi.
I have got a kiwi. Do you like kiwis?
Yes.
It's so delicious. Okay. All of the fruits are very tasty and delicious and they are so healthy and thala too. Okay. Hello, Mr. Dwayne. How are you? Are you fine?
Yes.
Brako chandani habudwin?
See?
Brako chandani بسكولي سيداني ده سلو يلا خارا
Hesi.
هاي قرباني ابي اقول براكو بباش عفرين دائما people تجي جاكله بركاله وريز استانا وا باشا could you tell us what have you got? I have got a car.
a car.
Which color is that car? Maroon. So you have to say I have got a maroon car. Could you repeat it? Bila roda dua mo. I have got maroon car. It's so nice, but it's small, right? Okay. Hello, dear Ahmed. How are you?
How are you?
How could you put away your cat and show us what have you got? Ta da da da.
I have got two cars.
Two cars. What color are they?
And
Black
Black
and
and
It's not green. Yellow. It's a type of yellow. Basha? Okay, thank you so much. So now all of you, could you raise your toys? Show us your toys.
Control car.
Yeah, exactly. So together, what have we got? We have got some toys. We have got some toys. By the way, you have to keep your toys, okay? So now please put your toys inside your bag and say bye-bye. I love you. So let's repeat our code. So learning English is fun. Yes, it will be fun. Thank you.